How to fix suspicious login attempt on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix suspicious login attempt on Instagram. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you only want to do is simply make sure to first of all open up the Instagram app. And sometimes the issue over here likely seems to be that all of a sudden you receive a notification pop-up saying a suspicious login attempt has been detected, or maybe you were trying to simply log in yourself and then Instagram just notifies you of a suspicious login attempt. Now why this generally happens is because you have turned on two-factor authentication, and Instagram is basically notifying you if someone else is trying to log in, and you have to approve whether or not you want them to log into your account. So basically there are some of the things which you can do. The one thing is to simply turn off two-factor authentication so that you never receive any type of updates, but that is going to make your account less secure. But if that is the option for you, and if you're willing to do that, then you could basically just go to your profile page, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then select settings. And just select settings over here, go to security, and you can see two-factor authentication. Simply tap on two-factor authentication, and you can see right over here two-factor authentication is on in my case, which means I will also receive a notification pop-up if someone else from a new location or a new device is basically trying to log into my account. There's nothing to really worry about it. It's just a simple warning of a login attempt. But if someone else is trying to log into your account, then I would recommend you turn on instantly two-factor authentication, and then you try to simply change your password by going to the password box and filling up your new password. Hopefully this video gave you some insights about it. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.